Hey everyone, today I've got these, the AUKEY True Wireless Earbuds, and I'm going to be talking about them a bit and unboxing them. So, yeah, let's just open it up. As usual, I forgot an unboxing knife. Okay, so there we go. Let's open them up. Oh, there's a bit of tape here. Okay, and yeah, it's a nice size actually. Quite like the size. It's not as small as the OnePlus Buds. Actually, no, it's about the same size, but it's a bit more kind of, the edges are a bit wider, a bit more spread out. Okay, so let's actually open it up. I don't know if, do you find this satisfying, I guess? I'll put it up in case you do. Okay, actually that was actually very disappointing. Oh, I like the click to this though. Okay, so these are the AUKEY True Wireless Earbuds. I'll put these to the side for a second, just see what's in here. Some extra ear tips if you need them. These aren't like AirPod style tips where they don't have a tip. They do have little bits at the end that you can put in your ears. Just a tiny wire here too. And then just the manual. Do they have any stickers? Nope. They've got this little thing though. Oh, this is just product warranty. It does look kind of interesting though. Yeah, it doesn't open up anything. I wonder why they chose to choose a padlock. It doesn't really make much sense, but sure. Okay, anyway, the AUKEY wireless earbuds. Let's open them up. Oh, they actually, they look kind of similar to the AirPods Pro. So they charge exactly the same way, you just kind of slot them in. Oop. And, yeah, they're charging, I guess. The light didn't show up, I assume that means they're charging. It is kind of harder to get these out than the OnePlus Buds, though. Just kind of feeling it now. I don't know if that will change over time, but as I'm putting my finger in, it does kind of rub up against this top bit here, which is probably not the best in terms of design. They could have made it go back a bit further, I guess, if they want to do it this way, but whatever. Anyway, let's just take them out and give them a test. So let's put them in. Okay, I mean, they feel quite comfortable. Okay, they apparently have active noise cancelling, so that's obviously a reason to have this bud at the end. With noise cancelling, you do have to have this sort of bit at the end to make it so you can't hear any noise outside. Obviously, if there's a gap, it's not going to work. It's not going to, the active noise cancelling isn't going to work. But anyway, yeah, let's put them in, stop ranting about stuff. One thing I've noticed about this is there's no button on the back, so I assume it's kind of like other earbuds where if you've paired them to a device, the only way to get them to pair to another device is to disconnect them on another device, which is kind of annoying, but yeah. Okay, so I've got my old phone with me. That's because I'm using the new phone to record. So if you want to see what the video quality from the OnePlus Nord is, well, you're looking at it now. But yeah, I'm going to try and connect these to this. So I'm going to open it up, pair it. I don't know if I have to take these out to record, to pair, I mean. We'll just have to see. Yeah, it seems like it's not showing up yet, so I'm going to just try pull them out. Okay, and there it is. So we're going to tap on it. And okay, they both said that they're connected. So it's 60% battery from the start. Yeah, I'm just going to try play some tracks and see what it's like. Ow, that was really loud. Okay, so, well. Okay, first test, when I pull them out, do they switch off? Nope, they haven't got that functionality. There's no holes for it. Okay, so it's a single tap to play and pause. See what double tap does. I assume it skips forward a song. Yep. Okay, that goes back. In terms of sound quality, I'd say that the bass is quite heavy. There's a nice thump to it at the bottom, so it's got that going for it. The voices sound very clear and nice. Honestly, I really like the sound quality. I think it sounds pretty good. Yeah, the bass is pretty heavy. The highs sound okay, actually. I mean, when it almost deafened me at the beginning, it wasn't that the audio was distorting or anything. It actually did sound pretty good, just way too loud. And yeah, they are comfortable. They are comfortable to keep in. Even though it's got this little tip at the end, you don't really feel it too much. The only thing I've noticed is because touching the surface plays and pauses it, I feel like I'm going to be accidentally doing that a lot. I don't know if I really like the whole thing of just tapping the side to play and pause it. Okay, active noise cancelling, let's test that out. So what I will do in this case is I'll not play a song through it. I'll just kind of make some noises, I guess. So I can still hear them through this, so let's try touching and holding it for 2 seconds. Okay, I think it's switched on now. It's taken kind of the edge off it. It's not doing anything for my voice. My voice sounds totally fine. All that I can hear through it is the highs, but the highs are still pretty loud. It's not going to fully cancel it out. I do feel like if there was music playing through it at the same time, it would be better, which obviously I can't test out now because both my phones are in use. But yeah, it's only really just cutting the bottom off it, really. It's only cutting the lows out. It's not really doing much more. I mean, you shouldn't really expect too much from earphones that are at this price range. But yeah, don't go into this just because it's noise cancelling or anything. But yeah, in terms of audio quality and in terms of the general fit, I mean, this earphone isn't bothering my ears at all. I am pretty happy with it so far. I do think it's pretty good. I like the green lights on the front, which would be showing the battery life of the case. When you put these back in, it'll switch them off. And one thing it doesn't seem to do is it doesn't seem to show the battery life of the actual earbuds, though, which I don't know why it does that. But yeah, so far it's pretty good. It is bigger than the OnePlus Buds case, so in terms of pocketability, you are going to be feeling it more in your pocket. I already know that will be the case. I do really like the OnePlus Buds case just because it's good for putting in your pocket and then forgetting that it's there. This one will have more battery life though. You can even feel that it's heavier because of it. But yeah, this also uses USB-C, which is pretty good. And I do like the black look of the case, and I like the lights on the front. And other than it being harder to pull these out than pulling them out from here because this case lid fully goes up, so you're not pushing your hand up against the lid. Yeah, it's pretty good. I do like this product so far. If you are interested in checking these products out, I'll leave the link for the OnePlus Buds down there too, I guess. They'll be linked down in the comment section, well, not the comment section, in the description down below, so you can go and check them out there. But yeah, for now, I hope you'll have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.